making a ritualistic dinosaur headdress out of prop foam. For this build, I'm using the template from SKS Props to do a ritualistic deer skull. SKS Props has tons of different templates on their website, all for free. All you need to do is print out the PDF and cut out your pattern. To make my skull look more like a dinosaur skull, I had to edit some of the pattern pieces. To do this, I used a tracing paper and made the nose of my skull a little bit wider and boxier. And when I was happy with that pattern, I began tracing everything out onto a 6mm prop foam. Finally, with an extra sharp X-Acto knife, I began cutting out all of my pieces. Before I glue everything together using a contact cement, I buffer down all of my edges with my Dremel. And once all of those pattern pieces are assembled together, I begin making my teeth. For my dinosaur teeth, I'm starting with a 20mm triangle foam dowel and sanding it down with my Dremel. Once I'm happy with the shape of my tooth, I'll cut off the end of the dowel and then glue my tooth into place. For the last part of my build, I'm using some foam clay to go in and add details to my skull. Once that's all dry, I can go in and coat everything in Plasti-Seal. For my final paint job, I used the exact same acrylic paint that Steve used for his ritualistic deer skull build. Mainly composed of a raw sienna, unbleached titanium, and a parchment acrylic. Happy crafting, everyone!